Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to share with you a new edition which is going to be in Air Fry Easy Every Day, which is our new cookbook which is available now on pre-order, and it's sausages and peppers. If you've not done sausages and peppers before in the air fryer, they are absolutely delicious and they're so easy to do at home in your air fryer. So all you'll need is some peppers, a red onion, and of course lots of yummy sausages. And then of course you can season it however you like. We just like to keep it simple with some oregano. I always buy it in a big tub because I use so much of it. And then also some extra virgin olive oil. And then I also add in some salt and pepper as well. So it's a really simple set of ingredients, and sausages and peppers, if you've not done them together in the air fryer, they're absolutely delicious. So just check it out there, how beautiful that looks. And that's going to be in Air Fry Easy Every Day. So if you've not seen the cover yet, that's what it looks like. And you can head over to recipethis.com/books and get yourself a copy, and also grab yourself a copy of our Sunday Times bestseller as well. So I'm just going to put that to one side whilst we get started. So I've been asked, especially for you, if I could share more recipes using the jewels rather than just the air fryer baskets and whatnot. So today out to play is my Ninja Flexi Drawer. So this is brilliant because you can take out the divider and then you've got one really big drawer, and it's just brilliant. And what's also great about this one is that you can fit in 2 silicone containers next to each other, or foil trays, and they'll actually fit instead of just almost fitting. And when you do it in like this in the flexi drawer, it's kind of like when you're doing a tray bake in the oven. It's just absolutely brilliant. So I'm just going to put that to one side for now whilst I plan these ingredients. So you want to start off with some peppers, and then just slice them into strips, kind of like if you were doing fajitas. So then into some nice strips. And then what's great here is you can just kind of dump everything into the air fryer as you go. I often use a bowl for mixing my ingredients in, but I'm going to treat the flexi drawer like it's my bowl. And of course you can use any coloured peppers you want. I've just grabbed 2 of them out of the pack. In the cookbook it's actually 3 peppers, but it's only me that likes them, so it just seems a waste to cook 3 peppers just for me. So then that's your peppers all chopped, so let's get them in. So draw out. Spread out those peppers, and then next on the agenda is going to be doing some onion. I love a little bit of red onion with my peppers. You can use whatever you like, but I don't normally use a full one, maybe about half of one, but it's totally personal choice. You can also throw in other favourite ingredients in too as well if you want. And you can do them into strips or cubes or however you like your onions. So then spread them out. Oh yes, that's looking nice now. And then of course the sausages. I'm not going to cry. These red onions are strong. Oh, and I love the Tesco pork sausages. They're brilliant. So as you can see, I've got a good sized pack of them there. Oh, with some onion peelings attached. So then you can just load up the sausages into the air fryer as well. So that's one full pack there of sausages. So now we want to add in our seasonings and our oil. And salt and pepper. And like I said, some oregano as well. The lid is just brilliant for that. And then of course some olive oil. I recommend extra virgin olive oil, or if you can't get that, just olive oil over other oils in the air fryer because they do such a better job. And then give it all a mix with your hands. And then spread it all out, and now it's ready for air frying. So I'm just going to give my hands a quick wipe and then quick tea towel dry, and these sausages and peppers are ready to go on. So I recommend that you turn on your air fryer. We're going with the Megazone because I'm spreading it over, but you can use just one side if you're doing a smaller portion or whatever best suits you. And then I'm going with a cook time to begin with of 15 minutes at 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And I've gone with the air fry button, but if you don't have an air fryer button, just set the time and temperature and then press start. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fry beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to recipethis.com and search mini course for full details. So it's gone on its cool down now. So the sausages and peppers have done 15 minutes. So shall we check on them? Oh, and wow, don't they look fantastic? I just think they look amazing already. And the thing is, it's all about how well cooked you like your sausages and your peppers. So you could give them a quick shake and then put them back on for another 5 minutes. But I think one of the big things you have to learn about when it comes to air fryers is the least you have in them, the quicker cooking they are. So if you think when you're using a Megazone like this, the food's getting spread out so much compared to a single basket. So I'm just putting it back on at 180 again. That's 360 Fahrenheit for another 3 minutes. And then this should be done. Yummy. So it's finished its extra 3 minutes and it's on its cool down. So let's check on these. Oh, wow, don't these peppers look brilliant? And those sausages, can you believe that that's been made in an individual flexi drawer? And like I said, it looks just like a tray bake. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. I mean, look at them sausages, aren't they fantastic? The peppers have got that lovely char grilled look. I just love them. Look at that for peppers. Isn't that fantastic? In fact, let me go closer up for you. Look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? And look at the colour on them sausages as well. That's it finishing its cool down, but we didn't need the cool down. But oh wow, I can't believe how amazing that sausage looks. I mean, isn't it amazing? So if you've not done sausages and peppers in the air fryer yet, then what are you waiting for? And don't forget, if you haven't done so already, to pre-order yourself a copy of Air Fryer Easy Every Day. It's got the sausages and peppers recipe in there and so many others as well. It's full of everyday ingredients, just like sausages, peppers and onions. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Every Day yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, And of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.